beads. You know, keep in mind you can add more. You can do more if you're like feeling that you didn't get enough the velvety gels. You can add more. You can close that one. So at first when you're like, oh my god, it's not easy to do, it's really easy to do. Just using your spatulas from your brush that you have from bundles, and then use one end to pick up any of this. I love that how you can spread this one out too. And then using the bristle to blend them. You don't have to have any of a solution. Your is only to a solution you need is your base gels right here. So it's not only helping yours blending your product is so much better, smoother. It is also is not going to break down your products at all. So it's gonna keep its perfect self consistency while you're working. Also, it's gonna feel really light and it's stronger when you finish. You feel like you don't like weighing anything at all, but also it's really flexible and stronger. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. Keep my bristle really nice and flat like a parallels. You see that how it is? It is already set level. In the meantime, you are working.
Yep, so Rasta, keep watching. We will show you when this thing turning.
Yeah, this one is going to turn. It's really beautiful too. Gonna put something on this one. Using the tweezer and pick it up. All you need to do is just pick up just a little bit of the base gels, and it's so beautiful because you can go and manipulating the beads, and you can create it. Is so beautiful is enhancements nails. And with this techniques, it minimums a lot of like air pockets and bubble for you. Okay. We're gonna using some glitter. So now take advantage from it when it's still wet. We don't key anything yet. So I'm gonna pick up the glitters. And again, you can do it just the tip of the nails. However you want. You can do ombre here. Or you can do ombre there. You can move this nails if you want to. These beautiful nails with the roses. You can leave this one as an ombre. Okay. And if you don't want any flowers on, you can also leave it there. Look, there's another flowers here.
Yes, for you vote yellow, here you go.
This yellow, this petals?
It pop.
Or you want that petal?
The other one. You just do that. Do the other one. There you go. Yep, so for this 3D handcrafted flower, all you need to do is put it on. It makes the nails for you.
It already does the work for you, so you don't have to sit there a half an hour to create this. All right, let's give it like a good gentle press it down. And then now we are going to clear this beauty before we're doing the crystal clear tin carpet, okay? All right. You can add some crystal on it. Let me see if I can do something.
You want to do it later? Or you
I want to do a bead, so I'm going to add some beads on it so I can encapsulate the beads for you, okay?
Yep. If your first time tuning in, just know that when Nancy do nails for you, she always give you all the extra part. So it will look as bling out as it could be.
So yes, we don't want you to just, or you can still staying like really cute and simple, or you can add some beads on. And then you can cap it at the same time. This is a bonus, like, hey, I'm gonna hang out with you guys. And said, okay, so let her in here then. Okay. So now we are going to cure it and then cap it shortly. Oh, where am I? No. Cure first.
Okay, 30 seconds.
Ah, thank you, gorgeous Rasta. That your husband's always helpful.
Thank you.
He's preferred no task at all. We just talking about earlier. Oh, it's gonna make his Friday because you always like make his really nice compliments. And you're gonna buy us a coffee then?
Mm-hmm.
Smoothie? Because gorgeous Rasta said you are really helpful. Mm-hmm. So crystal clear, here you go.
Oh, there you go. So this is what the orange done too.
Ooh!
That's so cute. It turned out to be
It looks like
really like nude.
oh my
Really
goodness. So beautiful. It looks like sorbet.
Almost, yes. Look like ice cream.
Yeah. All right, so here you go, crystal clear. I love crystal clear. We're using so much of crystal clear because you want to encap with this, and you can use that. And then can add more as you needed it. You can always add some more or remove them if you're using too much. Or if you're using is not enough, you can absolutely add it on. All right, some crystal clear on this side. You wipe this off. Yeah. I'm gonna get my brush. I love the glitters. You see that how the glitter is just like iridescent, but it looks three-dimensional. So it looks good enough, but it's not power of like a whole of detailed designs or whatever, or the color you are going to do. So it's give it a little bit of a compliments, but it's not powers. Overpowers the colors you are using or doing. So I'm submerging my bristle in the beige gels and start guiding the crystal clear, so then it will do it part is by doing encapsulates like all the edges, like how and tie the little furs getting in here. And only my task to do right now is just to guide the crystal clear in the center, so then it gonna looks really nice. And this, it means one of these techniques do it keep it really nice, and the nail looks really trendy, the shape, the structures. Also, it will help so much when you are shipping and filing after you finish, so then it will not making like a difficult for you to do it when you're doing it later. So I'm just remove that, just the excess one right there on the side. This will be great for like nail lover, beginner nail techs who's really want to do a lot of enhancements nails. And all you need to do is really gentle. You don't have to go really aggressive with. Okay. and move it upside down. Now happy with this, we are going to cure this one for 60 seconds.